I am Raja, lecturer in statistics. Today we have to discuss semester 3 subject statistics topic problems on rank correlation coefficient. Problems on rank correlation coefficient. Simple ranks or another way repeated ranks or tied ranks. Repeated ranks means in X series or Y series the number is repeated twice or thrice. For example, 38, 32, 38, 38. In Y series, 20, 25, 20, and again 20. For example, the ranks of R1 and R2, repeated ranks means the number is repeated twice or thrice. For example, in X series, highest value is 38. So 38, 1, 2, 3. 3 times repeat. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 by average. So 1 plus 2 plus 3, that means 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6 by 3. So it gives 2. So each number gives same rank, that is 2. And next one, there are 1, 2, 3. 3 ranks are close. Next value is 32. 1, 2, 3 after 4. So, repeated number, example 38 repeated thrice. So, for example 20 also thrice repeat. So, 25. Next R2 in Y series 25 is highest number. 20 repeats also thrice. This is second one, third one, fourth one. That means 2 plus 3 plus 4 by 2. So 2 plus 3, 5 plus 4, 9 by 2. That means 4.5. So these are the tied ranks or repeated ranks. This formula is given by the Spearman's. The formula is Spearman's repeated ranks. Repeated ranks correlation coefficient is given by rho is equal to 1 minus 6 into I is equal to 1 to n dI square plus dx plus dy by n into n square minus 1 tx means in X series tx equals to m into m square minus 1 by 12. M is repeated rank. Repeated rank times in Y series Ty is equal to m into m square minus 1 by 12. M is also repeated rank how many times? M is 2 times, substituting 2. M 3 times, substituting m is equal to 3. M 4 times repeated, so substituting m is equal to 4. We get tx and dy values. Tx and dy values, substituting in this formula, we get the value of rho. So this is the formula of repeated rank or tied ranks. So first of all, we go into repeated ranks. Once again, X values, highest value taken rank 1, next value repeated. How many times repeating them, the average, that value is given by each of them. So, rho is equal to 1 minus 6 into summation dy square plus dx plus dy by n into n square minus 1. Okay. So, you can use the one data, repeated ranks, calculate, obtain rank correlation coefficient rank rank combination coefficient for the following data. The data is given by x values are x, y, so taking x values 65, 64 and 75, 50 and 64, 80 and 75, 40, 55 and 64. The y values are 62, 58, 68, 45, 81, 60, 68, 48 and 50, finally 70. Okay, so this is given data. Obtain rank correlation coefficient. Now, rank correlation coefficient, calculate given that values in order by order, x values, and we taking, next we observe that y values and given ranks order by order. First rank 1 and we go to another ranks R2. Next deviation means R1 minus R2 and summation dA square. And now calculate given the x series values are 65, 64, 75, 50, 64, 80, 75, 40, 55, 64 and y values 62, 58, 68, 45, 81, 60, 68, 48, 50 and 70. Okay, so given the ranks one by one, first gives in x series highest values of x series in 80. So 80 gives rank 1 and again next value is 75. So clearly 75 repeat twice. So this is rank 1. So this is rank 2, this is rank 3. 2 plus 3 average. 2 plus 3. That means 5 by 2. 5 by 2 means 2.5. Each gives 2.5. This is also 2.5. This is also 2.5. And the 3 ranks are closed. Next we go into rank 4. Rank 4 is given by 65. 65 only single number. So 1, 2, 3. 3 ranks are over. Next we go to 4th rank. Next one 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. 5 plus 6 plus 7. That means 13 plus 3. 18 by 3. That means 6. Each value 6, 6. So overall ranks 1, 2, 7 ranks are closed. Next 8th rank. 8th rank goes to 8th rank goes to 55. Okay, 55. Next one 50. Last one 40. So total 10 ranks clear. Now once again I repeat this for ranks. First of all, 80 is the highest number. So 80 gives first rank. So next value is 75. 75 repeat twice. So next rank is 2, 3. 2, 3 average. 2 plus 3 by 2, that is 5 by 2, that is 2.5. 2.5 and again 2.5. Next one. Next number is 75. Next highest number is 65. So overall 3 ranks are closed. Next we go to 4th rank. 4 ranks are completed. Next one, 5th rank. 5th rank goes to 64. 64 repeat 3 times. So 64, 64, 64. That means 4 ranks are over. 5, 6, 7. 5 plus 6 plus 7 by 3. By 3 means average. So 5 plus 6, 11 plus 7, 18 by 3. That is each number gives 6. And next number, highest number is total ranks are 7 ranks are closed. Coming to 8th rank, 8th rank is 55, 9th rank is 50. Then single, these are all single numbers. 9 and entire last number is 40, that is goes to 10th rank. At the same time, in Y series also the same highest number is 81. Next number is 70. Next one is 68. So 68 repeat twice. So 3 plus 4, 3 plus 4 by 2, 7 by 2, that is 3.5, 3.5. So 1, 2, 3, 4 ranks completed. Fifth rank goes to 62, 60. Next one 58. Next one 50. This is 8th rank. Next one 48. Next one 45. So overall close ranks are decided. So R1, R2. So subtracting R1 minus R2, 4 minus 5, minus 1, 6 minus 7, minus 1, 2.5 minus 3.5, minus 1, 9 minus 10, minus 1, 6 minus 1, 5, 1 minus 6, minus 5, 2.5 minus 3.5, minus 1, 10 minus 9, 8 minus 8, 6 minus 2, 4. Total summation d square 1, 1, 1, 1, 25, 25, 1, 1, 0 and 16. So overall summation di square is 1 plus 2, total 72. So summation di square is 72. In X series, repeat Tx equals to the formula is given by m into m square minus 1 by 12. M is repeated term. In X series, repeated terms 75 is 2 times, 64 is 3 times. Now m is equal to first to 75, repeat 2 times, substitute m is equal to 2. So Tx equals to 2 into 2 square minus 1 by 12. So 4 square, 4 minus 1, 3. 4 minus 1, 3, 2, 6 by 12. That is 1 by 2. That means 0.5. Next, m is equal to 3. 64 repeat 3 times. So m is equal to 3. put this value in Tx. So Tx equals to 3 into 3 square minus 1 by 12. So 3 square 9. 9 minus 1 8. 8 3 is 24 by 12. So Tx is 2. These are in X series. Next we go to in Y series. In Y series, Ty is equal to m into m square minus 1 by 12. So, substitute m is equal to in Y series repeated. 68 repeat only twice. 68 repeat only twice. So, m is equal to 2. So, Ty is equal to 2 into 2 square minus 1 by 12. So 2 square means 4 minus 1, 3, 3 to 6 by 12, that is 0.5. So these values are used in the formula rho is equal to summation di square sum plus tx plus ty is equal by n into n square minus 1. So now we calculate rho value. Rho value, once again repeat this process. We taking x and y values. Ranks are different. Tied ranks means repeated ranks. One more thing, 65 repeat one time, substituted in m place 1 minus 1 0 0 anything is 0. So single ranks are not substituted, only repeated ranks are substituted in the formula. We get the tx and dy values. We are using these values in rho. Rho is equal to 1 minus 6 into summation di square by n into n square minus 1. So r1 r2, subtracting r1 minus r2 values, squares of di squares, adding di square, using this process, continue to the next steps. Formula. Spearman's rank correlation coefficient. Repeated ranks. Tied ranks formula. Formula is given by rho is equal to 1 minus 6 into summation di square dx plus ty by n into, so 1 minus 6 into summation di square 72 plus tx values, one value is 0.5, another value is 2, in ty series only 0.5 by n number of observations. Number of observations are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10, 10 square minus 1. So 1 minus 72 6. 72 into 6. So 12, 1, 42, 42 plus 1, 43, 432 plus 1 plus 3. So 435 by 990. So 435 by 990, that value is 0.49 something, 4393. Its simplification, we get the value of rho is 0.56. This is rho. So that is the way of finding rank correlation coefficient. Repeated ranks are tied ranks. So in this way, one more thing point, whatever it may be, these formulas are different, same formula. The formula different is just to know that tx plus ty, adding the tx plus ty, tx means in x series repeated terms, ty means repeated terms in y series. So there is no repeated terms, there is no finding the value of m into m square minus 1 by 12. Only this formula applicable by repeated ranks or tied ranks. Any repeated rank, you can use this formula m into m square minus 1 by 12 in x series and you can use it in y series. Repeated 5 times, 4 times, 2 times, but not one time. So single time substituting in m is equal to 1, 1 minus 1 goes to that value is 0 by anything is 0. So only repeated ranks can be applicable. So 6 into summation a square plus 6 plus dx plus dy by m into n square minus 1. Substituting in n place the number of items. So here the value is rho is equal to 0.56. This is positively or negatively? This is completely greater than 0, 0 point. So x comma y variables are positively related. That means positive correlation. So this is the process of Spearman's rank correlation coefficient. Thank you.